Tune destination
Delta
tower.
Juliet, flighting 100.
100, 6 Delta Juliet. Alright, why is he doing that? Has he got somebody else going in there? Has he got somebody going into pain? A ways away. He'll just take somebody out of pain, so he's probably putting me over near there, and he's going to depart somebody out of pain.
Pizza 210.
Approach Skyline 456 Delta Juliet. Looks like I was off frequency for a while.
Yes, you were. 6 Delta Juliet, you were off frequency. Traffic's now 7 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, descending to 4,000, Boeing 737, and Oscar's current at Renton. What approach did you want?
I'd like the GPS Zulu approach into Renton and IMC 456 Delta Juliet. How did I do that? I will be able to.
2767.
I will be able to see.
2105. Reduce speed to 2.